If a parent has sole legal custody, mom can relocate. She can move 100 miles or more from the other parent. She can move out of state, and she doesn't need permission to do it from the father or the court. These 4 points that are super important for you to know if you have a child and you're not married to the parent of the child, okay? I'm Kyle Kaufman, attorney at HKK Law Offices. We are a family law practice in the state of Wisconsin. We love helping all sorts of family law clients in divorce, child support, child custody, paternity actions, adoptions, termination of parental rights, and more. All right, guys, so I just think this is so important that you understand this, okay? There are differences if you are married as opposed to if you are not married, and how that affects things with your child, all right? So here's what you need to know. These 4 points that are super important for you to know if you have a child and you're not married to the parent of the child, okay? Number 1 is custody, all right? In the state of Wisconsin, when a child is born, the mother, by law, has 100% of the custody, all right? It doesn't matter if the father signs a paternity acknowledgement and his name appears on the birth certificate. All that does is give the father the right to go to court to ask for legal custody, but it does not give the father any legal custody, which means then that the mother is fully in control of major decisions concerning school choice, religious upbringing, medical decisions, and more. Things like consent to marriage, consent to enter the military. All right, so super important, right? Here's number 2. If you're in this situation, you have a child, you're not married, in Wisconsin, the law says that placement, which is where the child lives and who the child spends time with, all right, is 100% to the mother. The mother has control over placement. Again, does not matter if the father is on the birth certificate or his paternity has been acknowledged. All that does is give the opportunity for the father to ask a court to make an order to give him periods of physical placement. So, it's essentially the father asking for permission to see the child, the mother allowing it until there's an actual court order that actually dictates the terms of placement. Here's number 3. The third big thing that you need to know is this, okay? Just like the law says, hey, without a court order, we don't establish custody or placement for the father, guess what? For the mother, there's no establishment of child support. So what that means is the mother cannot force a father, absent a court order, to pay anything for the child. The mother in that situation has the right to go to court to ask for support orders, child support, health insurance, things of that nature, okay? But again, absent a court order, that's the mother's responsibility to financially support the child. Here's number 4. This one's really big. People don't know this a lot of times. If a parent has sole legal custody, right? So again, child born, haven't gone to court, mother has sole legal custody. Guess what? Mom can relocate. She can move 100 miles or more from the other parent. She can move out of state, and she doesn't need permission to do it from the father or the court, okay? These are all opposed to people within a marriage. If you're married and you have a child, guess what? Both parents share custody. They have equal placement, essentially. They're both financially responsible for the child, and if one parent moves over the other, there's no superiority over that, all right? So there's a difference in those situations, and you need to know that. I hope you found this video helpful. Please reach out to us, have a consultation. I encourage you to talk to at least 3 lawyers about your case in Wisconsin to make sure that you understand what your rights are and what they're not. You can find us at hkklawoffices.com, and remember, if you like this, subscribe to our channel. Like it, leave comments, get involved with us. We love seeing you here. Thank you.